Hello everyone. So in this video we will see about the text command. So for the text, if you wanted to add the text on the screen, so for that you just need to type T enter. See, once you type T, you can see on the top here text command comes. You just need to press enter. Now you can just follow my cross here. You can see it is saying you to specify first corner, so just click anywhere on the screen. Now it is saying specify opposite corner, so you can just drag anywhere and just click anywhere on the screen. Not necessary, you just need to click anywhere, just click here. And this kind of uh, interface then will open up, right? So you can see here on the top right, you can see some more tools are uh, open up, right? So these tools just basically for this your text command, you can just increase your text height from here, right? Just by clicking here. Currently the text height is 2.5. If you just wanted to increase it as 40, you just need to click here and press enter. Right, you just need to basically click here and press enter, and see here the text height is now increased. Right, you can just type it here. If you just wanted it make it as 15, right? You can just make it. See, it just depend on you. So if you just wanted to again make it as 40, you can just click here and make it as 40. If you just wanted to some anything else, you can just click here and just for later it will follow for that only. Right. If we wanted to change the color of this font basically. Right, you can just change your color from here. Let me select red. Now, if you type, then further text, your text will come in the red. If you just wanted to change this also in red or any other color, you just select here and you just select anything from here. See, the colors are changing. Right, you can do that also. You if you just wanted to basically your uh, font to be changed, then you can here you have more font. You just need to select here this text basically, right? You just need to select here, and from here you can see you can just change your font if you want it, right? Now here you can see you have more tools here for bullet points, bullet numbering, uh, line spacing. Line spacing is basically for if you just wanted to another layer right here, right? Then what is the basically what is the basically difference between these two lines? You just make it from here. And to if you are once you are done with writing, you can just close your text editor by just clicking this tick arrow, or you can just click anywhere on the screen. Just click here and your command will be over, right? And here you can see you can just spell check your from this. Currently this one is activated, that's why it is you can see here dotted line is showing here. See, you can just check your spell from here. And further you can see here is a dictionary, and here is a find and replace option, similar to as we are using in basically Excel and in Word file, right? So these tools are available in text command. You can just refer this, right? To exit from the command, you just click here on the screen, or just you can just click here. So see, I just click here and the commands are I just exit from the command.